Okay.
Diana.
Guys, so Diana is using American Think 1, which is for teens 3, right, Diana?
Yes.
And Pedro, which book do you need exactly? American Think 2, 3, 1?
No, the same one Diana is using.
Okay.
Yeah, American Think One, right?
Okay,
For
what I'm
T.
about what I'm about to show you applies to all of the series, like both for Superminds and for American Thing. Okay, so um, someone, I don't remember who, but someone already shared a PDF and a picture with the links and the codes for you to download the presentation plus. However, it seems to me that teachers are still confused on how to use them, and that's exactly what I'm going to show you. Okay, so
Okay.
let me show you first the PDF that you all received. Anyway, I'm going to resend them again. The first one is this. Okay, you might probably
Okay.
remember getting this PDF on the group. This PDF is a step-by-step for you to log into the website, which is eSource Cambridge. I'll be sharing the website later on. Since you guys don't have a profile, all you have to do is click
No.
on create an account. That's what we're going to be doing on a hands-on training, but this is what you also have on the PDF. Okay, so, and then
Okay.
this is what the website looks like. You fill in the blanks with your information, and after you create your profile, then you'll be ready to input to add
The product.
the product.
Okay.
Now, where do you get the product? Okay, let me
Oh,
show you
sure.
here. This is a screenshot that you also received on the chat, which contains the codes to activate the product. For example, Diana and Pedro, you guys need American More 1, right?
No, American Think
American Thing, sorry,
One.
American Thing 1.
Or
So you have to
yeah.
manually input this code. You see the code?
Yeah.
So
Okay.
what does that do? Well, it will allow you to download the driver for the program. Okay, you will see
Okay.
the cover for the book that you are ready to download on your website, and a button right there to download the installer. It takes a few minutes, 30 minutes, 40 minutes. It took me
Yeah.
50 minutes because of the internet connection that I have. And at the end, you will be able to run the program. That's exactly what I'm going to show you. So how do you do that? You go to Google,
Oh,
hold on a second, and you type eSource Cambridge. Please write it down.
sure.
And also, I'm going to, okay, you click on the first link, eSource Cambridge. I'm going to share the link on the chat also.
Yeah, I remember somebody sent. Sorry, Luis. Somebody sent that to our chat, but it would be good to have it again too. Sure.
I
Thanks.
already shared it with you on here on the chat on Zoom. Just open the chat and you'll get the link there. I'll be sharing the links again because I know that once people, because guys, we know sometimes we
Yeah.
tell students do this and do that, but if you don't show the students what to do, they will be at a
Yeah.
total loss. Same thing happens with teachers. It's not about telling them do this or do that. You have to show them. Once they realize it is actually pretty easy, they will be doing it in no time. Okay, so hopefully once teachers watch this video, they can go to the link, open the links, get the codes, and do it by themselves. And it's pretty simple. Okay, can you see the website that I'm showing right now, Diana,
Yes.
Pedro?
I, yeah, we can see
Yes.
it.
Okay, so
Sure.
remember it's
Certainly.
eSource Cambridge. I already have my profile here, but in your case, you have to go to create an
Okay.
account. So let's start with Pedro. Okay, Pedro, let's use yours as an example. That's um let's see. Capital So
Okay.
now you already have your profile, and now you are able to activate the product you want to download. So you go to add product,
Mm,
and this is where the
yeah.
picture with the codes come in, okay, comes in. Let me show you the picture. And Pedro, I want you to write down the number and send
Sure.
it to me, because this is a picture, okay? Send it to me on the chat so I can copy and paste the code. You have, you want to have
Um,
American Thing 1, so please write this code down.
American Think One.
Write
Yeah.
this code
Okay.
down, please, Pedro.
Thanks. Thanks.
So here
Okay.
we are
Okay.
again. Can you see the website again from eSource?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yes, I
so
can
we
see.
input the code here and we add the product.
Yeah.
It's
Okay.
loading.
Yeah, I made a mistake there. I made a mistake there.
Okay, there. Pedro, you see?
Yeah.
Now you just
Oh.
open the
Oh,
product.
awesome.
You just open the product here, and it will give you the
Ah.
link to download the driver. Okay, you cannot see the product here, but see the link to download it. So here you see
Oh.
American Theme Presentation Plus download. You see here
Okay.
download.
Download.
So
Download
you click
file.
here, and it starts
Down.
downloading a let me see this one. You see, and then you have to
Oh.
set the folder where you want it to be in. So I have things. Hold on a second. I have
Yeah.
a second period, period one. This is for
Yeah.
things American Think one. You want to have it on a
Yeah.
folder, okay? On a single folder, so later on you
Sure.
can run the app. Now let's suppose that we're done here, okay? Let's suppose that we are done. It takes over about 50 minutes, more or less. You see, it says 59, 55, 53, 50. It takes about 40 minutes to download, okay? Once we are done
Sure.
with that, Peter, now I'm gonna
Yeah.
show you the next step. I'm gonna run the program, and you see
Oh.
how easy it is to get it done. Hold on a second. I have to go
Then
to,
Luis,
yes sir.
you created the account for me. Sorry, you already created the account for me, but
Uh-huh.
obviously, then, but obviously I have to download the book in my computer. But
Exactly.
so then,
Exactly.
okay, I'll simply sign in. No, I get it. I get it. I'll
Exactly.
sign
Now
in.
you have to sign in, and you can download it as many times as you need it. All right.
All right. All right. Okay.
And yeah, here I had already downloaded Supermind Presentation Plus, Supermind 3, which is for another teacher I was helping with this, and this is the
Yeah.
file here. Okay, this is the file right here, and I just
Um.
double click, and this is what you
Yeah.
get. Set up Windows. You see.
Yeah. Oh.
All you have to do is just run it from your computer. Let me show you. You double click, click on yes. I don't know if
Okay.
you guys can see the process that I'm showing for the installation. Can you see the
Yes.
process?
Yes.
Okay. So it says set up Supermind 3, next. Then you agree on the terms, next, next.
Oh,
Do
wait.
you want to create a shortcut? Of course, so you can see the shortcut on your desktop. Next, next. And it will take just like a few minutes to unfold everything, to install all the pictures, videos, and everything. After
Oh,
that,
awesome.
once you're done, you will be able to see the icon to run the program from the desktop on your computer. You will have everything there
Everything like it'll be on the desktop.
on the
Yeah.
desktop. Yeah, I just want to show you because I'm reinstalling Supermind 3. I just want to show you exactly what it looks like once you're done with the downloading and installation. Okay. What takes the longer
Luis,
Okay.
is the installation depending on your bandwidth. If you have like mine is only 5 megas, but if you have like a 10, 20, some teachers have 100, it will take you like a few minutes. Mine is pretty slow to be honest. But it's good enough. It's
Okay.
robust enough for me to have the classes, but when it comes to downloading, it's time consuming. But it
Luis, when
works.
I open,
Mm-hmm.
I'm ready, right? I
Exactly.
already download the
Mm-hmm.
book. When I open my book, this is what happened.
Well,
Give
hold
me
on
a
a
second.
second because I can't see a thing. Just a second. Okay. Can you show me again? Aha. Okay, just exactly. Then I can't read the message. Let me see. Aha. Click
It
on.
says that I need the CD.
No, no, no. Right click on the icon you downloaded. Close this window. Close this window. Close this window, please.
Close the window. Okay.
Show me the icon you got once you downloaded the software. It must right click on it. Right click on it. And abrir con. Abrir con. Abrir con. Tudun, 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 tudun. Which version of Windows do you have, Diana? Windows 8, Windows 10?
I have no idea because this is a computer from the school where I work.
I remember another teacher having a similar problem. Like when she tried running the icon, it would show this thing, like as if the software were just a CD. Trying Explorador de Windows. Click on Explorador de Windows. Okay. And try. Can you see the setup? Yeah, the setup icon. No, 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 no. Go back, go back, go back, go back, go back. Right there, right there, right there. Double click and run it. Okay, that's right. Now, what do you have?
Setup.
Okay. I think there are some restrictions on your school to install these softwares. You need the password from admin to install the program in that computer, on that computer.
Okay, so I need to call them to.
Exactly.
And give me
the password. I don't know if there are some policies on that. You might not be able to do it, but you see what you have to do, Diana, and it's good. You had this problem because I remember this other teacher experiencing a similar situation. Once she finished downloading the app and she wanted to like install it, she had this problem. So what you have to do is right click and choose Window Explorador de window and wait for the icon to appear, the blue icon, and then you click on Setup and Run. That's all you have to do. Diana, well, you know what you have to do. You are all ready. All you need is the password to run as an admin on the computer you have at that school. Once you do it, you should have no problem whatsoever. So let's go back to our installation, Peter. Peter, can you see the installation process again?
Yeah, I'm seeing it. I'm seeing it.
Okay, so it's like completing the Supermind setup has finished installing Supermind. So I click on finish and it will immediately, if you uncheck this, you have to do it manually. But if you leave it like this, you click on finish, the program should show up immediately. There. Let me show you the program here.
But well, obviously, SUPERMINDS is another book. That's the one for kids. Oh, no,
absolutely, absolutely. But it's the same process, Peter. You see, now we have the book, we have the units, and it works exactly just as any other of these iTools that we're using at Colombo.
Student's book.
Can you hear?
Page 46.
Yeah.
Okay. 2.
Yeah,
so
really
guys,
good.
That's all.
Awesome.
That's all about it. That's all about it. So remember, all you need to do is create your profile on eSource Cambridge. Then you need to get the picture with the codes corresponding to the book you want to install. Click on View Product, then Download File. Once you're done with the downloading, make sure you put that file into one single folder, and you can run it from there. That's all we got to do, guys. I don't know if there is anything else I can assist you with, but I think we are pretty much done.
Okay, Luis. Well, everything's okay. Great. I'll let you know if I have any situation.
Please.
Yeah, but it's good that my account is already created, and then it's for everybody. I'll get in. and follow the steps, right?
Exactly.
To download the book.
I'll be giving some. I have other stuff to do, but you can text me. Okay, just WhatsApp me if you have any situation. Let me know, and hopefully you should have no problem at all. Okay, Diana. Remember, in your case, you gotta get the admin password permission. Otherwise,
I have a
you won't be
question.
able.
What
Yes.
if someone else downloaded and share with me by email?
No, because
Is the same thing?
the moment you click on run and install, that computer will request admin password. It's not about getting. You can download as you did. You can download the installer, but once you start modifying the software or whatever you have on that computer, you will get the same message. So there is no way you can do it without without admin password. So it's a yeah, it's a must. You gotta do it. You gotta get it. You gotta get it. Otherwise, you won't be able to run the installation program. Bye, guys. Thank you for coming. Have a
Sure.
nice day. Bye bye.
Thank you so
Thanks a
much.
lot,
See you.
Luis.
Bye
Thanks a
bye.
lot. See you, Diana.